Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. And in today's video I'm going to show cluster beans. It is also called Chitki Mitki, or you can call it Goan. And with potatoes I'm going to show this recipe. Some people don't prefer it as it is a little bit on the bitter side, but I will make this with potatoes to balance the taste, and you're gonna enjoy this recipe. So what you have to do is, when you clean the first you have to wash, and when you clean you have to break and take out the string like this. It should come. You have to clean the cluster beans like this, each and every bean. So first I'm going to explain what ingredients what we need, and then I'm going to show how to cut the cluster beans. So what I've taken is, I've taken cluster beans, I've taken potatoes, which is two medium sized potato. Then I have red chili, three onion, two medium sized chopped and kept, one tomato medium chopped and kept, and mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. We also need oil. I'm going to use coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil, or if you don't find it in the market, or you can use normal vegetable oil, it's not an issue. And also salt. So let's start with this process. Before we cut the beans, I'm going to show the size of the potato, how I cut. Check the size, very thin slice, quarter. And once you cut the potato, you always have to keep it in the water so it doesn't discolor. So what we have to do is, when you cut a cluster beans, you have to hold them properly and cut it this way. This is the size what we want. This is how it should be. Now since all my ingredients are ready, we will start with the cooking process. And also one thing that I forgot to mention is turmeric powder. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder we will also require while cooking. Now since my pan is already hot, I'm going to add oil, which is coconut oil. Keep on a medium flame. Let the oil get hot for a while. Add mustard seeds and let it crackle. Now immediately you have to add dry chilies, break them, and onion. Let this saute for a while. Guys, check this out. Once the onion is slight brown in color, you don't have to make it dark. Add tomatoes to that and saute it for a while. Once tomatoes are done, add turmeric powder. Now at this time you need to add potatoes. Take out the water and add only potatoes to this. Saute it for a while. Saute these potatoes for a while. I check the color, how lovely it looks. Please follow each and every step and you will get this right recipe. You're going to enjoy this cluster beans recipe. After at least 4 minutes, I have sauteed this potato. Now you need to add cluster beans. Also add salt to this and water so that the potatoes are cooked. Do not add more water. Let the potatoes only cook. Beans will get cooked in that only. Mix this properly. Keep it on medium flame and cover this and cook. So let the potatoes cook fully. Guys, check this one. In between you need to stir this and make sure that it is not stuck to the bottom. This is ready now. Water is also dried. Now I'm going to switch off the flame. Potatoes are also well cooked. Check this out. Guys, just one more thing. Just want to remind you all regarding the water. Do not add too much water. Just required amount to cook the potatoes. As you can see, the water level, it's already dried up and the potatoes are well cooked. Otherwise what will happen will potatoes and potatoes will be raw and bhaji will get overcooked, the cluster beans. So now this is ready and I'm going to switch off the flame and ready to be served now. Guys, check out this, how delicious it is. It's a healthy option. You can make this easily at home and you will enjoy this. Watch the video carefully, follow each and every step and you will get this right. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe with your friends and family, and God bless you all.